everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. In this new video, I'm going to talk about the new and affordable Realme C11 from our friends at Realme Philippines. So as you all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has brought about many changes in our lives. For young professionals, work from home arrangements have become a part of the new normal. And for our young Filipino students, we now have online learning that they can do from their own homes. If you're going back to school real soon, I'm sure that you're currently looking for an affordable yet reliable device to be your companion in the new normal. And this handset, the Realme C11, with its 4,990 price tag, could be exactly that for you. So join me in my quick unboxing, initial setup, and features rundown of this amazing new handset. Let's go! Okay, so this is the Realme C11 official retail package for the Philippine market. As you can see, it's colored yellow, and this is exactly the same look as the box of the Realme 6i, the Realme 6, the Realme 6 Pro, and the Realme X3 Super Zoom, which are all very successful 2020 releases of Realme here in the Philippines. So again, this is the yellow box, the name of the handset on top, Realme branding, name of the phone again here, Realme C11, the Realme logo up on top, there you go, and at the bottom you have here the key features of the phone. So you have the 5,000 milliamp hours lithium polymer battery pack, the 6.5 mini drop full screen display, the 13 megapixel AI dual camera module, and finally, the MediaTek Helio G35 gaming processor. So although this phone is an entry-level handset, I think this one is powerful enough to run some of your popular mobile games. And there you go, we are greeted by this message, and it says, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." Okay, and that's printed on this paper sleeve right here. And when we open it, we can see another message, "Let's embrace a new journey." And there you go. And this is the pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. There. When we open it, we see the important information guide, which is like the user manual for our Realme C11. So if you have time, read this, but I don't think you'll have any problems using the phone right out of the box. Okay, put it down. So next, we have the phone itself, and there's a pull tab right here. There are two accessories included in the package. This is the micro USB to USB charging cable. And this is the travel charger. And that's how it looks. And this travel charger supports 2A output. The handset itself supports 10 watts fast charging. Alright, so there you go. That's the complete Realme C11 retail package in the Philippines. So for those who are wondering, yes, the phone didn't come with a pair of earphones, and also it didn't come with a soft gel case, which is understandable considering the 4,990 SRP of this device. I believe Realme will also be selling affordable soft gel cases for the Realme C11, so make sure you check those out. so after the unboxing and the initial setup, let me give you a quick run-through of the user interface as well as the design and the key features of the phone. So again, this is Realme UI. This is the home screen. This is the app drawer. This is the notifications tab. And these are the quick access buttons for your connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data connection. Okay, now for the wallpaper, you can easily change that by long pressing, and then you click on wallpaper, and then you can already choose from the many pre-installed options. So let's choose this one. There you go. A whole new look. Alright, so now let me give you a quick specs rundown of the Realme C11. Okay, so starting with the display, this is a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display. As you can see, it also has very thin bezels. So Realme calls this a mini drop display, specifically because of the mini notch on top. And this notch houses a 5-megapixel front-facing camera that can also record full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Okay, so at the back, housed in this squircle module or a square with rounded corners, you have the dual rear camera module, which is made up of a 13-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, which enables portrait mode that lets you add background blur or bokeh effect to your portraits. And also you can use that for other subjects, not just people, maybe for your food plates or even your toys, or maybe if you're submitting photos of some of your projects in school, you can also add background blur to that to make them more appealing, more visually appealing. And this dual rear camera module also comes with an LED flash. Okay, so since we're here at the back, let me just show you the back design. Here you go. I think this back design is very elegant and attractive. For those who are asking, this back panel is made of plastic or polycarbonate. Nonetheless, it has this metallic sheen because of the paint job, as well as the micro line finish. If you can see it, this is machine crafted micro line finish, which really gives this elegant sheen to the phone depending on how light hits it. There's also this pearl finish, which adds to the air of sophistication of this phone, which really makes it a really elegant device to take out even if you're in the cafe, or even for young professionals. I think this would look very good in an office setting. Another interesting feature is this bar right here. As you can see, this band right here, which has the Realme logo. It looks different from the other parts because this one doesn't have the micro line finish. It just has a pearl finish, which makes the back panel really look more interesting. That's the back. And as we move around here, on the right side, you have here in the middle, you have the power button, and here you have the volume rocker. On the left side, here you have the tray for the nano SIM cards. You have 2 nano SIM card slots and 1 micro SD card slot. So let me just show that to you. You can eject the tray using the provided pin. This, okay. And there you go. As you can see, you have 2 nano SIM card slots and 1 micro SD card slot. Okay. Nothing on top, it's just clean. And finally, at the bottom, you have the 3.5mm audio jack, 2 holes here for the microphone, the micro USB charging port, and 4 small holes there for the loudspeaker. Now let's talk about the internal hardware of the Realme C11. The Realme C11 runs its Realme UI customized Android 10 operating system with a 12nm 2.3 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 processor, which is made specifically for gaming on entry-level Android smartphones, and it also powers the full HD video recording capabilities of this phone. Okay, so that chipset is complemented here in the Philippines with 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage that you can easily expand using the dedicated micro SD card slot. So since it's dedicated, you won't have to sacrifice dual SIM capability just to get more space for your large files on this handset. I just changed the wallpaper again, and with that, let me talk about my reasons for saying that the Realme C11 would be a great companion device for students in their online classes in the new normal. Okay, so first off, this phone has a very large 6.5-inch HD Plus display. And I think this kind of screen is really ideal for viewing or browsing the learning materials, which include photos and videos that your profs or teachers would send you. The size of this screen is also great for reading ebook, and I'm sure that you'd have lots of those in your online classes. Second, this phone has a full HD front-facing video recorder, which makes it great for video calls or even virtual conference meetings with your classmates and also your professors. This high-resolution front-facing video recorder can really improve the way you communicate in your online classes. Next, the high-resolution 13-megapixel rear camera, which can also record full HD videos, can be truly handy in snapping photos and recording clips that you can add to your PowerPoint presentations, as well as other materials that you'd have to submit for all of your subjects. As I've said, this phone is powered by a very large 5,000 milliamp hours lithium polymer battery pack, and that battery is actually double the capacity of battery packs of previous Android smartphones in this price category. This can only mean that you can get extended uptime from the Realme C11, which is ideal for your extended virtual classes, as well as your long video chats with all of your classmates for your many projects. And finally, of course, the thing that I really love about the Realme C11 is its very affordable 4,990 price tag. So as you all know, we are currently facing a global pandemic, and this phone, with its very accessible SRP, can truly help a lot of students in these trying times. Alright, so there you have it, TP friends. I'll be talking more about the Realme C11 on our website techpinas.com real soon, so I hope you check that out. I want to invite all of you to subscribe to the TechPinas YouTube channel, as I will do my best to come up with more meaningful and useful content on this platform moving forward. So I hope you can join me in this new journey on YouTube. Since I think that the Realme C11 is truly ideal for young minds or young Filipinos in these times for their online classes, I'm donating this handset in partnership with our friends from Realme Philippines to Young Focus, which is an organization here in Tondo, Manila that improves the mental, physical, and social well-being of young Filipinos in poor communities by means of education, healthcare, and personal support. Again, this is Realme C11 and I'm Mark of TechPinas. Maraming salamat po. Bye for now and see you again soon.